Okay. Okay. Alright, let's try to give this a go again. Hopefully I can edit this piece out. Okay, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day, and prayers to all the folks over there, Negros Occidental, where the volcano went off. Anyway, today is June 5th of 2024, a year out from me getting over there, and that's one of the places that was actually on my list of I want to go there and check it out, or is on my list. I still want to go there. I heard something like 2,000 farmers have been affected by this. I feel bad for the price of food over there for y'all. 2,000 farmers, on an island that size is a good chunk of your farmers. A bunch of people ain't going to have food that's going to be available to go to the market. I hope that the government takes care of them, and I saw something about the president was saying that yes, there's help on the way, so yay. But yes, that was one of the places I was planning on traversing, going through and checking out as I was going between basically landing in Cebu and across over to, past Canalon. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it. I heard it a couple of times, but because I watched a couple of videos on it, but yeah, pronunciation isn't my strong suit on that mountain over there. I'm not real good with languages at all, so I'm having fun here. But that was one of the places that I was going to swing by and check out on the way over from Cebu to Iloilo to get my eyes worked on. So, yeah, I want to check that area out. So, yeah. Bacolod and San Juan or something like that. But yeah, there's a Canalon city that starts with a C as opposed to the K that the mountain starts with. Sorry about the pronunciation. Anyway, that is somewhere I want to go and see and put on my list of possible places to live. Although I'm not positive at this point. But that's going to be okay. I hope that everybody's there is okay. And like I said again, that's prayers and blessings to them. Anyway, today's my Friday evening or afternoon, and I'm going to go do a few things today. Got an appointment at one place, and then I'm going to have the appointment at my dentist's office at noon. I think it's just for a fitting, but they're going to fit it and try to adjust it and then get the final product, or maybe I get the final today. I don't know. We'll see. That's a whole nother critter. But yes, that would be nice to have teeth. So I'm going to give it a go. Anyway, managed to get the couple of stocks sold because I didn't like them. They've been dragging me down. So I got rid of them and took the proceeds from that and bought a couple other stocks of ones that I already had. It's not a big portfolio or anything. It's $1,500. But my $1,500 is pulling in over $200 a year. $17 and something cents a month. Average. So yay. 13% plus. I'm happy with that on an annual return. At least that's kind of keeping up with inflation, sort of. Yeah, because, the government's telling us so much truth about inflation. And yeah, that's one of those wonderful things to have to deal with. Inflation. Y'all are going to get hit with some of it because, especially there on Negros, because, well, fewer farmers farming until they can get that stuff back up and going. That's not good. So, blessings, and I hope, and prayers to you. Anyway, I'm going to be trying to get over there, like I say, in about a year, and sometime, hopefully, sometime late May, mid-June. I pray I'm not here by July. But, yeah, sometime, hopefully, I don't know, July, August, September at the latest. I hope to be getting my eyes done and be able to, see without my thick Coke bottle glasses, because they're a bit thick. If they were any bigger, they'd be so heavy they'd break my nose off. And yeah, I'm so glad I got my nose fixed too. I just, was thinking about that. But yes, I'm planning on getting over that direction, because I really am. The more I see of the news, the TV's behind me here. The more I see of it, the more I realize I don't want nothing to do with what's going on over here. I want to get out of here and go enjoy retirement. Like I say, go find me a fishing spot. Okay, a bunch of fishing spots. And a spot up on a mountain where I can throw a few seeds in the ground and be happy. It's peaceful thoughts. Tired of the stress from over here. All the news brings anymore is stress and headaches and insanity that I don't need to be a part of. Literally, it's everybody's choice what they do with their life, and I 100% believe that you get to live your life as you want, because God gave it to you. God gave you a choice. Make your choice. Live your life. The problem comes when you try to tell somebody they have to accept your life, and you're beating your life over their head. If you want to believe that left is right and right is left, well, that's your problem. It's like me with my idea of time. This is my weekend, my Friday today. I don't beat you over the head with it, but for me, this is my Friday. If you want to join me on my Friday, welcome to my Friday. But if you're like most of the rest of the world and this is Wednesday morning or whatever part of Wednesday it is for you, well, happy Wednesday. For some of you, it's already heading into Thursday, I think. But hey, happy Thursday. Like I say, you are you. Be you. But don't beat me over the head with yours. Because, well, when you start making your problems mine, then your problems become my solutions. People don't like my solutions. It's what you do with you is you. Do you. I'm doing me. Trying to have as much fun with my life as I can. Not stressing out over everybody else, because quite honestly, I don't need that stress. Stress kills. Don't want to die early. I already have a bad problem with that in my, on my dad's side. 65 to 67. That's why I'm retiring at 62 and coming to the Philippines. Come over there, and I want my biggest stress to be, do I spend 25 pesos on fish bait or 50 pesos on fish bait? That's my big load of stress that I want to deal with. So you can hear me stressing on this, right? 25 pesos, 50 pesos, 50 cents or $1. Yeah, oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean to slap the mic. But yeah, that's my stress load. And you can see how stressed I am over it. So, yes, I want to go fishing. And if I can't do it on the beach, I'll definitely go try to find a little boat to carry me out in the middle of nowhere in the water and fish there. They got a Kuya Island west of Panay, a little archipelago out there. It's part of Palawan, I think, section. But it's a little one out there, and it's looks so beautiful. And I would like to go out there and go fishing. It's one of the places I want to check out also. Yeah. My biggest stress, where to go fishing next and how much money to spend on the fish bait or the boat ride. Yeah. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Prayers to all you folks being affected by that volcano. And hopefully it'll decide to go back to sleep and stay peaceful. And I'll still go by and visit it on the way between the Cebu City and Iloilo. I'll still swing by there and check out that because I want to see it. Not because it's an active volcano, but because it's up on top of a mountain that happens to be a volcano that, well, had some pretty cool temperatures from what I could understand. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. Blessings to all the Philippines and the rest of my YouTube subscribers, all 89 of you. And, well, all the rest of you YouTube watchers too. Like and subscribe if you want to. Pass on by if you don't want to. It's your choice. Anyway, I'm Fish, and, well, Fish is out.